make a put in a once upon a forehead. What a forehead.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, you know. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I may say, attack, attack, attack. Some of viewers and subscribers, I know, so this morning me did it, I may scroll through my WhatsApp and me see a message from Dan Mafia. So Dan Mafia, big up yourself, my brother, you see me? Yeah man, recording artist Dan Mafia. So, me see Dan Mafia post a picture of Cocotti and say, yo, him get a message, say Cocotti has passed away, you see me? And him say him get it from a close friend of Cocotti. Because we see at times where before them leaks say Cocotti passes away and him never did, you see me? And when Dan Mafia post this, my people, him say, yo, a from close friend, so him know say this legit, you see me? And then me come to boom and me do some checks, my people, from the United States of America, because I don't know, say Cocotti, they based over there in the United States of America, you know what I mean, over there in Fort Lauderdale. And my viewers and my subscribers, it is confirmed, say, veteran reggae singer Cocotti has died. Really and truly, no fake news, really and truly, my people. He has passed away at the age of 65 years old. And them saying passed away early this morning, my people, sometime after 4 a.m. in the morning, close to 5 a.m. You understand? So, reggae singer, veteran, Cocotti, rest in peace, my brother. Fly high legend. You don't know, you pave the way as a star. You know what I mean? Remember Coco, you know, I him give a coffee. Remember that, my people. So me I gotta just read this article based on the passing of Cocotti, my people, and where, you know what I mean, him friends are share some highlight and talk, you know what I mean, how the whole thing went down and what really the artist passed away from and how he passed away. So check out this, my people. Veteran reggae singer Cocotti has died. Reggae legend Calvin Cocotti Scott has died. His wife, Malvia Scott, confirmed the news that the veteran singer passed away at 4:46 this morning at a hospital in Broward, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Following a cardiac arrest, he was 65. I got a call early this morning to say that he had been transferred from the facility to the hospital, which is like 5 minutes away, because he was vomiting. He was initially diagnosed with lymphoma in 2019. But for the last 6 months, he was also struggling with pneumonia, Malvia told news. Following the diagnosis, 6 years ago, the Nah Give Up singer kept a positive outlook even to the very end. He was definitely very brave, shared Malvia, who is the mother of 3 of Cocotti's children. He was positive throughout it all. About 3 weeks ago, when he was admitted in the hospital, he asked if I was worried, and I said, I am always worried. He told me not to worry because everything was going to be all right. He was always very hopeful. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange told news that she was saddened by the passing of sweet Cocotti. He has been a stable in the industry for so long. He was one of the greatest reggae singers who has ever lived and worked. Will stand the test of time. We salute him at this time. Condolences to his family. It has been a pleasure working with him over these years, and we are glad that we had the opportunity to give him some flowers while he was here with us. May his soul rest in peace, Minister Green stated. Known for his sweet melodic voice as well as the hopeful, powerful chanting, Cocotti's last performance was 3 years ago on the Welcome to Jangba cruise in 2019. The I Am the Toughest Singer performed at Buju Banton's historic Long Walk to Freedom concert at the National Stadium in Kingston, Jamaica. Wow, my viewers and subscribers. It is really sad, my people. You know what I mean? And I just want to say, rest in peace, Cocotti, again. Fly high, my brother. You know, say Cocotti, my people. I remember couple years ago when they used to keep this show called Jam Jam over there in Clarendon. And this show used to be one of the biggest thing, you know what I mean, in the Christmas period, the time, to New Year's time, my people. This is a show where, and I saw come really, I know it's a Cocotti, a legend, you know. I see him perform and thing, you know, my people, but I know them man a star, short and thing, and I always say, yo, Cocotti always just look fit, always just look strong, and always just powerful. You know what I mean? No matter how age and thing I grow, but you don't know my people. When the Almighty say, that is it in a man. You know what I mean? And that is it, my people. You don't know. You know what I mean? So cockatoo, as me as a fly high, my brother, and me know so you're gonna be greatly missed by a lot of friends, lot of co-workers in the music business, families, you know what I mean? Everybody. And me personally, NEWLINK and the NEWLINK production family, I send out our deepest condolences to the family of Cockatoo. And may his soul rest in peace. Fly high, my brother, fly high legend. Sweet, sweet Cockatoo. Your music lives on, my brother. You know what I mean? Your music will live on. And right now, as we tell her, we have Coffee. So Coffee did he carry the flag for Cockatoo. Rest in peace, my brother. R.I.P. legend. Some people, you don't know me, that's like a share. I look a performance video with Cockatoo. You know what I mean? Couple clips to him final parts of people up to his passing. And again, may his soul rest in peace. Remember, my people, follow me on all social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, X. You don't know, TikTok. Where they everywhere, my people. I want team, I want dream, I want scheme, and I want attacking boss. Be safe, be good, and be great, my people. And do what? Subscribe. What I say? Subscribe to the channel. Peace out. Rest in peace, Cockatoo. Jaja sees, Jaja knows.
Because I tell them already, and me I go tell them again. Cockatoo, I go tell them again. Alright. Come now. Hey, you be, you bang, be, deng. Hey, you be, you bang, deng again. Hey, you be, do, bang, be, deng. Big Ship Music Fest is here again. Yeah. Big Ship Music Fest, representing nothing but the best. Freddie Magog alongside Michael Rose, Anthony B, Perfect Anetana, Chino and I, Sweet Sweet Cocoa to the T. You see me? Port Charlotte County Fairgrounds, Saturday 3rd July 2021. Make sure all you roll out. Music have a nice. Here you be. You take on an animal. Some of that sweet perfume, it sure smells good on you. Slide on the lipstick, and then later you're here down. Cause when we get through, I'm gonna show you. Tonight will be a special night, no matter where you are. And I'm so proud to be with you. I just wanna let you know you got me singing my, oh my. You sure look good tonight. The ladies in the house sing again, sing mama, oh my. Again, you sure look good tonight. I've got sunshine on a cloudy day. My God. That you will need, and that you never love. You would need Japan, what I want. Yeah, but them say when I come. Well, the annual way here. Los Angeles.
Up here.
Ready for Japan now, see? Ready for
here.
board to Tokyo. See you later. Everything will be greater. And if you tell you how bad it's going to be, roll out.
See, I'm a tonita. But then it says,
Aerobics. You know, I have a little song that I love to sing. What all you can to sing with me? When I say coco, you say tea. I say coco, you say tea. I say coco, then you say tea. Coco. Stand up straight. Can I go now? Let's make some special some special time of day. Calling for coca. Unruly fest coming, oh Lord, oh yes. Unruly fest coming, aye. Christmas is a coming and money is ration. Can you put 1,000 in a sufferer's hand? Them coming from north, south, or even down the west. Them want to reach St. Thomas at the unruly fest, oh yes. Jah Rastafari bless, unruly fest, aye. St. Thomas, Jamaica, 22nd of December, unruly fest. Nothing but the best. I, sweet, sweet cocoa tea will be there. So make sure you are there. You hear?
When I say cocoa, you say tea. Come on, cocoa. 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 Cocoa.
Say what? Yeah. Massive, how you feeling? Oh, God, man, on the road.